Imagine earning money while you sleep, from anywhere in the world. That's the power of affiliate marketing in 2025. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. Why is it so profitable? Low investment, flexibility, and the booming e-commerce industry make it a goldmine. Step 1 to success. Choose a profitable niche. Focus on areas like health, technology, or sustainable living. Next, find reputable affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank that align with your niche. Build your platform. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media, create a space to share your links. Content is king. Create high-quality product reviews, how-to guides, and comparison posts to attract your audience. Drive traffic to your content using SEO, paid ads, and social media. More traffic means more potential sales. Optimize your strategy by choosing high-commission products and analyzing performance with tools like Google Analytics. Avoid common mistakes like promoting too many products or neglecting your audience. Focus on providing value and building trust.